Hello students, welcome in the class. Today we will translate some negative sentences of present perfect continuous tense. As we have already discussed this tense in detail, so let's start the translation. At first, see the structure of negative sentences of present perfect continuous tense. The structure is, at first we use subject and then helping verb, that is has or have. After that not, as it is negative sentence, and then be, and then verb with ing, for and since, and time at last. We use has with singular subject and have with plural subject. Here we use for uncertain time, for period of time, and since is used for certain time, for the point of time. Now see the examples. First one, वह 2 दिन से नहीं पढ़ रही है. As you know, these are the negative sentences. Then we will find some negation in the sentence as nahi in this sentence. So we use not with that. वह 2 दिन से नहीं पढ़ रही है, it means it is feminine, that's why we use she for वह. And because she is singular, we use has. She has not been reading for 2 days, 2 दिनों से. It is period of time, that's why we use for here. So she has not been reading for 2 days. It is the correct translation of this sentence. Second one is, राहुल मुझे 2 साल से नहीं पढ़ा रहा है. Rahul, it is also singular, we use has with it. Rahul has not been teaching me for 2 years. 2 years, it is also a period of time, and that's why we use for here. You can see period of time or uncertain time. Third one is, मुझे सोमवार से बुखार नहीं आ रहा है. मुझे, for it we use I, and with I we use have. So the translation will be, I have not been suffering from fever since Monday. Here we use since because Monday is a point of time. You can say confirm time. Monday is confirmation of day at least. That's why we use since here. Now see some other examples like this. वह सुबह से खाना नहीं खा रहा है. रहा है, that means it is masculine and we use he for वह. He, and with he we use has. He has not been eating the food since morning. morning and full stop. Here also we use since because morning it is a point of time. You can say it is confirmed time, that's why we use since here. He has not been eating the food since morning. वह सुबह से खाना नहीं खा रहा है. नेक्स्ट वन इज, उसके पिताजी 2 दिन से दवा नहीं खा रहे हैं. इन दिस सेंटेंस खा रहे हैं, इसके लिए हम टेकिंग का भी यूज कर सकते हैं एंड ईटिंग का भी. बोथ आर करेक्ट. सो द ट्रांसलेशन विल बी, हिज फादर, here you can use her also. Her and his both are correct. Her father has not been taking the medicine, medicine, medicine 2 दिनों से, for 2 days. Here we use for because 2 days is period of time. That's why we use for here. His father has not been taking the medicine for 2 days. Thank you.